Hello all, this is Jay, and in this video we are going to discuss about Cloud Shell. So Cloud Shell is an alternative method to access AWS. So you can access it through web interface, and this is a CLI method, another CLI method. So let's dive into it. Let me show you. Mm, So let's say I'm logged into my AWS account. Now, here, if you see on the upper right side, you see this icon, which is for Cloud Shell. So once you click on it, you will see this black window here. Now, this is Cloud Shell. So I'll just open it in another window. So you see it's opening. So now here you see this is in AP South. This is my region. So this Cloud Shell is not available in all the region. So just make sure it's available. First you validate if it is available. If yes, then you can use it. To validate, let me just show you how to validate that availability region. So now let's say if you click here, you see that supported region for AWS Cloud. So if I click on here, supported region, here on the service endpoint, okay. So this here, it should be, this covers all the region here. So mine is this one. So just validate if your region is here or not. First, let's go back to Cloud Shell. Now in here, you can issue the commands like we did in a previous video through external CLI, through your system CLI. Let's say AWS, you see all the available options. So let me check my version. AWS dash dash version. So you see current version is 2.36. So this is how, this way we can use it. And this terminal, right? It's a CLI terminal and it's free to use. It's like no, you don't have to install a software, or this is not a additional charges to use this. Now, if you remember, we have some users created through web GUI. Let's check those user details. List users. You see these two users we had created through web interface. The same are visible here. So this is just like it will pull the details from AWS console only. And now in Cloud Shell, there are settings here. You see now here you can turn it into light. It will change, or you can move back to dark. The font size also you can change it from here. So this is some settings. Now here on the action, you can upload or download the files. Okay, for that let's create first file first. What we'll do is we'll go into directory and let me create a file. Echo create a file with my name JD, and so the commands I'll give is demo.txt, and then just a second, add demo.txt. So there's no such files. So let me just validate this. Okay, so looks like instead of demo, I typed as a temp. So here we can see the file in a directory. Now let me just try to download this file on my local system. To download the file, let me get the path. Okay, so this is the path I have. Mm, No action. Download the file, and then just a second. Just a second. X, and then download. You see this file on the top right side here. The file got downloaded. So now this is how you can download. The same way, there's an option to upload the file. So you can upload the file, and there's an option to restart, right? So you can restart the Cloud Shell. Let me at least stop all your active Cloud Shell sessions. So that's okay. I want to restart, and this is how it will restart. Now let's wait for it to come back. Now I got my Cloud Shell access back. You see, now even after restart, right, that file which you had created earlier, it will be there. It won't go away. Mm, So that way, you can configure all the. No, you can make a different configuration through WebGUI as well as CLI. This is just an alternative way. It's not that like you'll have to use this. You can do the same configuration through the web interface as well. So this is just a overview of the Cloud Shell. That's what for this video. This is what I wanted to show you. If this is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.